John, what are the pros and cons of bankruptcy and debt settlement?
Sometimes debt settlement's the best option. Sometimes bankruptcy is the option. The benefits to debt settlement, probably number one benefit is just no bankruptcy. You don't have to go through the court process. It's not on your credit. Chapter 7 stays on your credit report for 10 years. Your credit score recovers much more quickly than that, usually in about 2 to 3 years. But the biggest benefit to debt settlement is the fact that you're not going through a court process. Bankruptcy, particularly Chapter 7 bankruptcy, there's also risk of losing assets as you go through there. The idea behind the Chapter 7 bankruptcy is it gets rid of all of your credit cards, personal loans, medical bills, all that goes away completely. Trade-off is they're going to look and see if you have any non-exempt or non-protected assets that the court can sell and give that money to your creditors. Debt settlement, you're not going to lose anything really, other than just the settlement. So now the downside is you're going to have to pay quite a bit more. We talked before, settlements, I always tell people probably plan on about half. If you can get lower than that, great. But if you're getting a 50% discount on it, you still have to pay 50%. And depending on the amount of debt that you're carrying, that could be a pretty good chunk. Credit reporting also with debt settlement can be a little bit tricky just because until you get that paid, it's going to show up as an account that's in collections and could cause you some problems there. It's really, specific to your scenario, but there's definitely pros and cons to both approaches.